morning, students. We are at third stage of your staffing process. That is about your selection year. In the last class, I think so you have discussed regarding about selection year. That's about recruitment year, and also what are the source of recruitment year. So we are deeply discussed regarding about internal source and also external source. Yeah, so many were there. Yeah, next step or next procedure, that is about your selection year. Okay, so we have discussed that we want the right person for the right job here. Okay, so there will be so many applications will be there. We will go for the so many source of recruitment here. Okay, we have taken or some of the applications has come to you people here. Okay, now we have to select a best candidate here. Sir, how to select a best candidate here? That's the major issue, and also the major headache will be there for the management people or a selection committee. So how to select here? So I have some procedures, I have some process of selection here. So how to select here? So we'll go for the best example and we will go for that here. Okay, now so we'll see what is the meaning of selection here. Okay, selection is nothing but here, it is the process of identifying and choosing the best candidate out of number of prospective candidates for a job here. Okay, so many applications has come, sir, for the job here, but I want a best candidate here. Okay, I want a best candidate means I want to select a best candidate. So with number of applications are there here, I have to select here. Okay, that is nothing but here we call as a selection here. Okay, so how to select here? I have a process of selection here. Okay, we'll see one by one with the best example here. Okay, so my example here, so we have 10 posts. Okay, only 10 posts is there here, but you have received 100 applications you have received here. Okay, you have received only 100 applications, there's 10 posts are there. Okay, 100 applications you received here. So how to select here? We'll go one by one here. The first and foremost here, we'll go for process of selection here. First one, it's a preliminary screening here. What is this preliminary screening here? Preliminary screening is nothing but here where, okay, so many applications are there here. You have to sort out or you have to see here whether a candidate has given the information correctly or it has been accurately it is there or what here. Okay, sir, name has written but he has not written a father name. Okay, reject it. Okay, sir, everything is written, sir, but he has not signed here. Okay, reject it. Sir, he has not written the date of birth. Reject it. Okay, like this here, you have to eliminate or you have to reject the applications here, or which application is correct. Okay, or it is fully recorded here. Okay, make it here. That's about preliminary screening here. Okay, the application should be seen. It has to be correct and it has to be accurate as the best possible here. Okay, that's called as a preliminary screening here. Okay, sir, in this preliminary screening here, some 10 applications has been rejected here. Okay, just I will give you 10 applications has been rejected here. Now, still how many members are there? 90 applications has been there. Okay, I will take that 90 here. Okay, call that for 90 persons for selection test here. Okay, call them for the selection test here. So I have so many tests are there. That is called as the intelligence test, aptitude test, trait test, personality test, and also interest test here. Okay, so some of the company they may take all the 5, or some of them they take only 3 or 2, depend upon the company here. Depend upon the company, they will take some this year, but majorly we can see in this company here, so 5 tests they will make here. So which are there, what are there, we will see one by one here. The first and foremost here, it is the intelligence test here. In the intelligence test here, okay, the person one by one they will call to here. Okay, they will ask regarding about the current affairs. Okay, who is the chief minister, who is the prime minister, what is the per capita income, some of the, okay, they will test their IQ. Okay, they will test the IQ regarding about the politics, regarding about the finance, regarding about the anything here. Okay, they will check the intelligence test here, what their intelligence is there here. Okay, regarding that they will make a intelligence test here. Okay, sir. Next here, that is an aptitude test here. Aptitude test is nothing but here, they will check their potential, individual potential for the learning. Okay, new skill here. Sir, I have a skill in a marketing here. Okay, but I have a skill or I have a potential for the purchase department or any finance department like this here. Okay, for that here, there will be one test will be there here, that is called the aptitude test here. Okay, aptitude test is material. So what you have a potential, okay, for the learning for the new skill here. Okay, that is also one test will be there here. Next one, trait test here. Okay, trade test is nothing but here, sir, I already gained or already I worked in somewhere. I have worked in some other company here. So what that company have you learned from that company? What experience you got here? Okay, based on that, trade test also will be made here. Okay, this is a trade test here. Already you are acquired the knowledge about that profession here. So we will see in that trade test here. Okay, so what you learned, okay, which company you worked here, for how much you worked here, how many years you worked here, what experience you have here, all this test will be there here. Okay, depend upon that here. So trade test also will be made here. Next one, that's about personality test here. Personality test is very important here. I think so might be your brothers or sisters, they gone for the interview. Okay, they have to well dressed here. Okay, starting itself from the gate itself here, they will watch it. They will through the CC camera or something here, they will watch here. So how you're walking. Okay, for example, they will in the this one security, he will give a salute or he will give a honor to you, means yeah, you have to obey. Okay, so salute means you also here. So how your walking style will be there here, how your dress sense coming. Okay, some of them they will here. Okay, sir, shall I get inside? Okay, so all this, your emotions, okay, your attitude, okay, your courage, all the things will be seen in your personality test here. Okay, how you are dressed up, how your talking skill, how your response, everything here. Okay, beyond this, okay, they will test your patience also here. They may give you bad words. Okay, they may give you bad words. Okay, test your patience here. Okay, how you are have a patience here. So they will see in your personality test also here. Okay, this is a personal test. And also interest test. Interest test means here, so what work you want to work? Sir, I have more interest in the finance department here. I am more interested in the sales department here. I am more interested in accounts department here. Okay, so here in the interest test here, we will see what interest in there, in what there. Okay, so what interest you have here, we will see in this interest. Okay, this is very much important for examination here. They may carry for 4 marks. Okay, so briefly explain this selection test here. Okay, so we have a 5 test here: intelligence test, aptitude test, trade test, personality test, and also interest test here. Okay, 4 marks, important, please mark it here. Okay, now so here 10 members I have, only 90 members we called here. Out of this here I have 20 members has been out here. 20 members as out now in this test here. So totally only 70 members has passed here. I am giving example. So we are going with the example. Now call for that 70. Okay, 70 members for the next one, that is about the employment interview. Okay, employment interview, just call for that 70. Okay, sir, we will have here one by one, we will call here. Employment interview. Okay, sit here. Okay, what's your name? Tell yourself. Sir, I am so and so. I am worked here. Okay, I am graduated here. Okay, so I am experienced in here. So something or the others. There will be interview, will be there here. They may ask you some questions. You have to respond here. Okay, so this, they will check your communication skill. Communication skill, how you are talking. So what is your performance in the last year? Everything will be there in the employment interview here. Okay, interview, they will sit in together, they will interact with you. Okay, just they will see that how your personality will be there here, what is your communication skill, everything they will check here with the interview. Here also in the interview, they may have 2 interviews here, individual interviews or group interviews here. And also here also we have a oral interview or written interview also will be there. Some of the companies they will make here. Okay, oral interview means face to face they will interview here. Written interview means here they will give some questionnaires here. Okay, you have to fill or you have to sign something. You have to write and all here. That will be there. Some of the companies they will make like this here. Okay, that is called employment interview. Okay, sir. In the employment interview also another 20 members has been gone. Okay, another 20 members has gone here. Now only 50 members are there here. Okay, only 50 members here. Call that 50 members here. Okay, now we will go for reference and background check here. What is this reference and background check here? Sir, after that, okay, you are selected means here, okay, directly they will not give you appointment here. They will send okay, nearest to your police station here or nearest to your area, okay, they will make a, okay, background check, whether he's a criminal, okay, whether he's any criminal background is there here, okay, he is good person like this here, they will make a background check here, and also you have to give reference here, okay, so your principals are there, okay, dean or HOD or any lecturers are there here, okay, while you giving their resume, to the any company here, you have to give 2 references to your company here, okay, so that they will call to that HOD or a dean or a principal here, okay, so and so person, your student here, okay, whether he is good or whatever, they will make a background check here. Suppose we say badly, or suppose we say that no, he is not a good person, he was mischievous or something you say means here, ultimately you will lose your job here. Okay, so that you should be very careful regarding that here. So reference and also background check here. If your criminal background is there, somewhere you are fighting, any case has been filed in this police station here, there also will be lose your job here. Especially in the some defense or any civil services, this background check will be there. Might be you're knowing that here in a police or in your defense area, this background check will be there here. Okay, so you have to be careful regarding this background check. Okay, so 50 members were there, okay, 50 members were there here, okay, background check is over. Now, in this background check here, this one employment into 20 members were there, 20 members has gone here, reference has been there here. Here also, in the reference also, another 20 members has gone now. Another 20 members, some criminals were there here, something. Okay, I am giving an example here. Now, how many members are there now here? Only 30 members are there. Okay, but post is only 10. Only post is 10 only. Okay, I am selecting the best candidate now here. Okay, now the reference is over. Okay, so I call the 30 members for selection decisions here. Okay, I will say that, okay, your board of committee members will be sitting here. Okay, your HRD, that is a human resource, this one, what is that here? Human resource management people will be there here. Okay, recruitment people will be there here. All together, they will sit together. Okay, sit together. Okay, they will choose the best candidate here. Okay, so 30 members are there here, only 10 members. They will have to sort out. Okay, so they will check overall performance from year to year. Year to year, they will check a performance here. Okay, sir. Okay, some people were weak in this one, some people were best in this one, something. They will take a decisions here. Okay, all the board of committee members and also selection committee members, they will sit together. They will make a selection decisions here. Now, out of 30 here, in the selection test, example here, another 10 members has gone now. Another 10 members has gone. Now, how many members are there? Only 20 members here. Only 20 members are there here. Now, out of 20 members here, I will call for medical examination here. Okay, medical examination, I will call for them here for making a medical examination. Medical examination may be what is the running or any field test will be there here or anything here. Okay, body checkup or medical area, something others here. We will see. Okay, we will check the blood test, urine test or something others here. Some body check will be there here. Okay, any long diseases are there here, AIDS, cancer like this, anything is there also. So we will remove or we will eliminate here itself here. Okay, everything is good, sir. He is a active person. Okay, he is a very fit person means then only we will go for next one here. Okay, so that's why so medical examination will be there here. In the medical examination, all the things will be seen here. Here, if you fail to go means next step you will not be able to. Now, out of 20 members, I will go for that here. Okay, another 10 members has gone now. Okay, another 10 members has gone. Only how many posts are there now? 10 posts. I have selected best 10 now. Best 10 I selected here. Out of this 10 here, okay, I will give a appointment letter. That is a job offer. I will give a job offer. Okay, so and so person we have selected to you. Okay, okay, if you will to come, okay, you can join here. I am giving the job offer to that person here. Okay, so if at all he feels, okay, he feels that, okay, the salary is good, okay, the terms and conditions are good here, everything is good means here, then only he will make a contract of employment here. Okay, job offer we will give a, still it is, you are not up with this one here, we are offering here. Okay, so 40,000 salary, okay, some terms and conditions are there here regarding about the discipline, regarding about the rules and regulations of the company, everything will be there here regarding the job offer. If you if you desire or if you deserves to take, or if you feel that yes, it is a good company to me means here regarding about the salary, if you feel that it is a good salary means here, then only you will go for contract of employment here. There you will give a contract of employment regarding the companies here. Regarding the company job, then you will get a directly go for this companies here. Okay, this is about the selection process here. Okay, so we'll just once again here, it's a process of selection. We'll make a preliminary screening. Okay, then afterwards we'll go for selection test. In the selection test we have an intelligence test, aptitude test, trade, personality and also interest test here. In this one our over means here, then we'll go for employment interview, next we'll go for reference and background check, next one we'll go for selection decisions, next we'll go for medical examination, next we'll go for job offer, next we'll go for contract of employment here. Okay, this is the things we'll go for process of selection here. Understood here? So we'll meet in the next class. Thank you very much. Okay, have a nice day.